Django. Oh, haven't had your toothbrush. Oh, let me just get your toothpaste.
Toothpaste is on the toothbrush.
Toothpaste is on the toothbrush.
All aboard the choo-choo train.
Right. Open your mouth. Go ah. Properly. Go ah. You want to sit up? Keep it open. Oh, I can see lots of bits of food. Can you please keep your mouth open? Ah. Huh?
I found two bottles of window glass cleaner under the sink here.
Ah.
Look, lights.
Look, lights. Yes. You genius. Go ah. Look, can you keep your mouth open? I can't finish this get job off until you keep your mouth open. Thank you.
Is everybody on?
Yes, everybody's on. Time for you to go. You're
It's
very
time
noisy
to go to
train.
LA.
You're a very noisy train, aren't you?
Okay, we're all done. Are you going to say all aboard the choo-choo train? Look, look.
I'm going to go
Go, who's at the front?
No. I'm going to go at the very back of the train.
Okay, over here, Django. This is the back.
Just got to remember to put the chairs back after so they don't bang into the table.
You're at the front. Here, Coco drives it like this. Put your legs through there. Put your legs through, that's it.
Mum, all aboard the choo-choo train.
I'm getting in too.
All
Woo!
aboard the choo-choo train.
Woo! Where are you going?
Oh, sorry.
LA.
LA. Can we go to LA, please, driver?
No, I'm the driver.
No, you're not. You're at the back of the room. You can be driving in a minute. Come on, Coco. Choo-choo. Hey, do you know what we need, Yaya? We need a conductor to come and check our tickets.
Is this the driver?
That's the driver.
Okay. Tickets, please.
Yes, there's my ticket, conductor.
Yes, that's very good.
Would you click it for me, please?
Click. Have a nice trip, madam.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Ticket. Thank you very much. Yes, that's very good. Click. There you go, sir. Have a nice journey. Enjoy your day. Off you go, driver.
You say off we go and you go choo choo.
Off we go. Choo-choo.
Oh, side to side.
Now we're going round.
Could you tell us, conductor, what stop we're coming to next?
The next stop is LA. All get ready to get off the train.
Mind the gap. Everyone off? Everyone off for LA?
Yes.
Come on then.
No.
Oh, one.
Seatbelts on.
No, we're getting off now. This is LA.
Check.
Oh, apparently we've got to keep the seatbelt on.
Check.
Check.
Now I'm going to LA. Whoa.
Driver, could I go to the Agoura Hills, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Driver, can I go to LA, please? Yes. In a minute, I would like to be the driver.
Okay, here we go, driver.
Check.
Check.
There we go. Beep, beep. Whoa. I didn't have my seatbelt on.
Seatbelts on. Oh, Jenny didn't have his seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, Dobie. Gosh. Go click. He's got it on, he's got it on.
Okay. Where's the go? There.
Everybody, we are arriving at the Agoura Hills. Arriving at the Agoura Hills. Please mind the gap. Open the doors, please. Shh. Shh.
There you go. Seatbelts on.
Thank you, driver. Very much. I'll see you later.
But look at the train.
Hey, do you know what? We could have two drivers.
No, Mum, I would like to be the driver when Coco's finished.
Oh, really? That's the driving spot, is it? Okay, Coco, should we be passengers then? Where would we like to go?
To LA.
To LA, okay. Do you want to hand over the wheel to the driver? Here we go, driver. Climb aboard. All aboard for Toyland. Seatbelts on. see the conductor.
Oh, hold on. I was just doing my cleaning.
Did you buy your ticket?
See, I'm so poor. I have to do many jobs.
I want to buy my ticket.
Oh, right. Who's the driver? You're the driver? Okay. Good morning, miss. Have you got your ticket? You haven't got your ticket.
To buy one.
Could you? Okay. It's $10, please. Thank you. Ding. There's your ticket.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
But Mummy hasn't got.
I'll go to Mummy next. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Mummy.
Hello.
Got your ticket?
I have no, I'd like to buy one, please.
Well, yours is $20.
Oh, yes,
Because
it's
you're a
on the
big
ground.
person.
Oh,
Yes. $20.
I need a spoon.
Hang on, I'll get you a spoon. There you are, madam.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Will do.
There
Bye.
you are, there's your spoon.
Right, driver, we're ready.
Let's go. Woo woo.
We're going round the tunnel. We're going in the tunnel. It's going to go black. Are you ready? Everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes. Shoo! We're through the tunnel. Ah! Oh, we're out again. Did you close your eyes? Cool.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, where would we like to go, Coco?
I should go to Santa
To
Monica
LA.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'd like to go to Santa Monica, please, driver.
to visit
Okay.
Neo and
To Santa
Rose.
Monica.
Santa Monica to visit Neo and Rose. Yeah?
Okay.
Here we go.
We're there.
We're here. Unbuckle your seatbelt. Chick,
Click.
chick. Off we get.
Mind the gap.
Mind the gap. Doors open. Shh. Shh.
Woking, woking. This is woking.
Here we go. Thank you very much, driver.
Bye.
Bye.
Woo.
Quick before the driver pulls out. Seatbelts on.
Let's go. Woo. Seatbelts on.
I'm all right, actually. I'm just going to get your shoes ready to go out.
We're there.